Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to share with you how did I add a 5 more blue tone to my Memento collection. Do you have a favorite Inkpad? What is your favorite Inkpad? If you do have a favorite Inkpad, leave me a comment. Let me know what is your favorite Inkpad. I love a Memento, and the only thing I'm complaining about the Memento is they only have a 36 color. Yep, 36 is just not enough. I wish they have a more. So, and then yesterday when I was creating this card, I just told myself, I wish they have a more blue that I can use. I'm always looking for a perfect blue. So, which color is my perfect, like the perfect blue for me? I like to have a something between Bahama blue and the summer sky. So I was kind of thinking maybe I should mix with the other brand, but I just figured out, hey, there is something may work. So that's how I come out with this idea. So this video is going to come to the channel soon, and I am going to provide a free image for the stencil, so that way you can give it a try, and so we'll talk about that one. Okay, so have you tried this Kaleidos color before? So this color is kind of Inkpad come with 5 different shades like this. When you can push them together, you can just open them, so storage them so the color don't bleed. And then like I say, you can purchase this one from the Image Craft, and this is the company that I order all my Memento Inkpad from them. They do have the retail online store, and I will put the link below. So this is not a sponsoring video. I am share with you just because I like it. And if you like to create a few of a more color Inkpad, I think this video will help you. Okay, so we are going to use this Inkpad, and like I said, this one have a 5 color. The only, and then this blue, the first shade, is my favorite blue color. But unfortunately, they don't have these colors. So and also we are using our magic mushroom to blending it. So this section is just too narrow. Even though you put together, and then when you pick it out, you always pick up the first part and the second part. So I don't have that nice clean light blue. So that's why I come out with this idea. So there is a lot of different color, the Kaleidos color. I think it probably have a 10 different kind of Inkpad. If you take a back look at the back of the Inkpad, they call it the Blue Breeze. And then here's the refill. 23, 22, 21, 20, and 19. So 23, let me see like this way. So okay, so 23 is going to be the first lightest color. 22 is this one. The 19 is this color. 19 is actually the darkest color. I checked their website. I just ordered a bunch of the refill the last time when I was in the state, and then unfortunately the 20 has been discontinued. But that's okay because the first color, the 23, the forest blue was the color I really want to have it. And then when I run some experiments, I thought, oh, maybe that blue is looks similar. You know, you cannot trust those color label because they are print, and then it's really not like exactly. You can see from here. Okay, it's still a little bit different when you apply the color. Okay, so that's how you can find out all the number for the refill. And then the 23 is called the forest blue. And on their website, they all have the name. The only thing I don't know is I have to send the email to ask them. They are all called the dye base ink refill. I don't know what's to do with the cap. Like this one is black, this is white. I know they also have a alcohol ink, and the alcohol ink, I think the cap is blue. So be very is black. So be very careful that you don't want to mix your alcohol ink. You cannot refill your ink pack with alcohol refill. It have to be dye based, okay? Because the alcohol they vibrated, you just ink it, and then 20 minutes later they're all vibrated, they're all dry. Okay, so the first things is about all the colors, and then all the refill in the back and the name of the color. And then I have a Memento, the blue tone. I have a 6 color here. And then in the beginning, this color 602, the teal, I thought they are pretty similar with the first color called the forest blue. Okay, so kind of like a, because you can see on the label, that looks pretty much similar, right? So I did a few testing. Actually, that teal, they are different. So the forest blue is much lighter. So that's a color I really like it. Okay, so I am going to actually create the 5 brand new impact, and those 5 brand new impact is the blue breeze from this one. So I have the re-inker here, and remember, if you want to order from their website, the 20 is discontinued. They have like a cappuccino, sunset, a lot of blue, green. So the next step, I am going after the the green impact. They have the green impact. This is the, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is the impact. I don't have the, I'm going to explain. This is the next one. I am going to working on it to to create the green tone impact. So this is so exciting. Okay, so first we are going to do something. I ordered this uninked foam pad. So let's take a look. Oh, it's a foam. I don't know. I ordered it, but it's a foam. It's not the felt, but I think it should be fine. I don't know. Do they sell the? I have to ask them. They are very nice people. I placed a wholesale order from them, and then the service is awesome. No complaint. Okay, so this is a foam, but the Memento is a felt. So it's different. I don't know if it's going to work or not. That's something. Let me go check their website to see if they sell the felt on ink impact, because the foam impact is good for the pigment like brilliance. But I don't know does the dye-based impact can working on the foam impact. Let me go check it out, and I will be right. Okay, I just checked their website. They say the foam impact is actually good for the pigment, but we're gonna give it a try. So, but if we cannot do it, if they don't rig in there, that's kind of disappointing. But that's okay. I just checked their website. They have an ink Kaleidos color. So I think if this one doesn't work, what I am going to do is I'm going to just order a few of these Kaleidos Kaleido color, and then on ink one, and I'm just use the whole section for the blue color that I'm looking for. So that's something. Okay, so I am going to just try to ink it. Finger crossed, wish me luck, because on their website they say the pigment only, but it's not hurt to try, right? So I'm going to give it a try, and that's see it work or not. Okay, let's see, can I create a new color or not? So they actually, you know what? I think it probably will work, because they actually absorb all the ink. It's kind of messy, so for you, probably it's a good idea to wear the gloves. Okay, So that's just make it more. Let's see. So this video I'm actually is my experiment. You guys, if you want to do it, just hold your horse for few days because I re-ink it one and I want to see will they dry out on my. I think it's okay because Catherine Puller's I think that's a good thing. I think Catherine Puller's impact is also the phone. Oh, I'm so exciting. I really hope it's work. So I didn't use too much ink, probably just 1/3. Kind of messy job. So let's do this. Okay, I'm going to just speed up. You know what? It actually works pretty good. The only things I will remind you is because I'm so exciting that first time re-ink to create my own Inkpad, I kind of did a little bit, fast. And then this is a kind of pain for cleaning. Try to clean all. Okay, just try to keep your re-inker on the sponge part. I think that's good enough. And then after you put all re-inker on top, I just found out maybe they are not even, right? So what you're going to do is you are going to just grab a piece, maybe you shouldn't, let's use a credit card. Not credit card. Let me find one plastic. Oh, how about Tim Horton? Okay, don't use a paper because the paper is it will absorb your ink. So what I will do is I just use a piece of plastic, credit card, gift card, and then kind of making that surface very nice looking. So and then you just clean your cards. Okay, so let's do a little bit comparison. Let me open one more new Inkpad. Okay, so this is what Inkpad look like. And then they do have a little cover, so which I think it should prevent that your Inkpad get dry. See, I think I did a pretty good job. The only thing I am concerned is will they dry out? Like the ink vibrated? Let's just clean here a little bit. So definitely wear the gloves when you do these and be a little bit patient. Don't do it like me, hurry. Okay, I think it should be fine because this is Catherine Puller's Inkpad, which is great Inkpad. It's just my perfume. And then see on the side is a foam. But in the surface is different. You know what? That's so I don't think so it's going to dry. I'm so exciting. I hope it works. That's a stamp to see. Can we get like a nice image? Something drop on the floor. Let's grab a like 1-seater and try this. Grab a piece of paper. Okay, maybe I think it worked. This is so cool. So far, nicely ink. It works. That's awesome. But you know what? This is my first experiment, so I just worry. But I think it pretty. I'm sure it should be fine because it's a phone and the Catherine Puller is also phone. And then we just put this lid back, and I can just trimming something put on the side to add that extra the label here. So okay, and next things is I'm going to try to see a little bit blending. So I have my magic mushroom here. Okay, it doesn't really have a color. Okay, let's see. Can we blending it? Okay, I think it will work just fine. Okay, so we can tap it. Definitely we can blending it. This is the paper I use is coated, so the cold paper doesn't really blend. Let's grab a, but it does the job. Let me grab this one. So this is the watercolor cardstock. Let me. Oh, I'm so excited. I was kind of worried because I didn't know. I just opened it. I thought it's on ink. I didn't know they were foam finish. And they on their website, it said the pigment. Holy cow, this is good. So on their website, they say it's the pigment. So, and then for the pigment ink, I was kind of thinking, oh, maybe we cannot do it. Yep, definitely works okay. So this is the one we just created. The color is called the forest blue. And then you know what? I am going to do an update video 2 weeks later to see are they still okay or not. And then let's try. I'm always thinking. I was thinking this 23 forest blue is the same as a teal. So we're going to use a teal. So I'm going to use another clean magic mushroom. It is different. It's a lot, like a very, very different. So this is a teal. This teal is too dark. Yep, that's the color. I thought is there something wrong with my teal, but actually that's the color, this teal. And then let's try the one we just re-ink. Okay, so for the foam ink pack, I will ink this way, so that way we don't really like a squeeze or. That's beautiful. So far, I think my ink pack works just fine. So give me 2 weeks. I will run another video to follow up. So this is how I am adding another 5 colors to my Memento collection. So I hope you like this video. If you do find this video is useful, make sure you give me a thumb up, not the finger. And then I am going to working on my next YouTube video by using the ink pack that I just create by using the re-inker. So hoping you like this video. This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamps. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.